And knowledge is powerful only if it is shared with others. My name is Raysa Molina. I'm a landscape architectural and planning consultant. I always have been amazed by the interplay between natural beauty and human design. Landscape architecture is a field where I can blend creativity and technical skills. For the last 20 years, I've had the privilege of working on diverse and complex projects. Each project has presented unique challenges and opportunity, allowing me to enhance my skill in site analysis, master planning, and design practices. Over time, I realized there is a significant gap in practical resources tailored exclusively to the need of landscape architect, designer, and students. This observation generated an idea. Why not to create a platform to share my knowledge and experience with others in the field? I want to empower members of our community by providing comprehensive tutorial on essential tools like AutoCAD, SketchUp, and Photoshop for landscape design applications. These tutorials are not about learning a software. They're about transforming ideas into precise and compelling presentation that communicate design intentions. My goal is to approach a complex process and make techniques accessible to everyone, from a student taking their first step into the field to professionals looking to expand their knowledge. The landscape architectural community is rich in talent and potential. By sharing my experience and skill through video tutorials, I hope to equip designers, landscape architects, and students with the tools they need to bring their vision to life with efficiency and precision. Together, we can create spaces that not only meet the needs of today, but also inspire generations to come. This is not just my story. This is an invitation to join me on a journey of learning, growth, and creativity.